What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Schwack Bassin. Today, me and my boy Brent, we're actually like at UNT fishing. They got this little pond. It's catch and release only, you know, and we don't know if it's any good or not. We just wanted to try it. We like to go to new places, but it doesn't always end up very well. Right behind us is the highway, so I'm sorry for any of the noise, but we just had a cold front come through. It's not cold anymore. It's like 80 now, but the last 2 weeks were pretty freaking cold. It got down to 40 last week, and rained a little bit. So I don't know if we're gonna have to go with a little bit of more finesse, you know, approach to it, or you know what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna try out a little bit of everything, and we're gonna get on some fish, and just gonna have a good time. That's what you gotta do when you're fishing, buddy. All right.
Yes, sir. Let's get the fish.
I'm gonna sit here and rig up, and then we'll be down at the pond. I'll see you in a minute. Instead of opening this one right now, I got a ton of jerk baits too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this. Also, I'm gonna have, I'm gonna put on a crankbait too. If I don't catch anything off of these, I'm gonna put on a jerk bait. I love jerk bait fishing though. Pretty soon, once the winter comes around, once it stays cold, I'm gonna do my favorite, like my top 5, you know, cold water lures.
Yeah.
For bass. All right, I'm starting off with set my keys and my phone down. Don't want to lose that in the water. Starting off with this golden black flat-sided square bill. I'm gonna definitely need to adjust this. Like I said, we've never fished here before. We've never heard anything about it whatsoever. Who knows if there's even anything in here. Of course, as soon as we get out here, the sun, you know, the clouds come out and everything. That's what we're looking for right there. Brent. No. Does it look like it? I said, does it look like it? Square bill crankbait. Do what? Me too. Well, that's a great start. Oh. Come on, it came a little bit. Yeah, dude, there's fish all over here. I've scared 3 off. No? Bass. Oh, dang, I lost it. Yeah, that was like my best square bill too. All right, well, there goes that. I'm a ton of jerkbait. Love me some jerkbaits. Why? It was a Mustang. Yeah, it honestly did. It did. Bonk, bonk. Howdy, Mr. Ducks. Was bulling. All right, guys, so obviously, as y'all see, we did not catch jack squat, okay? But y'all see this right there? That is a jerkbait. And I don't know, I didn't use jerkbait till like maybe 2 years ago, and they're for real awesome. I love fishing in the wintertime. I know that's not it's not a prime time for largemouth bass fishing, especially in Texas where like you can't ice fish for them or nothing. Like it's cold as balls, and I love chunking this because there are so many different ways that you can work this little guy right here. I mean, look how pretty that is. It's so nice, dude. It's starting to rain. Felt some raindrops. Yeah. Yep. Raindrop, drop top. Oh, I'm just kidding. All right. All right. Well, it's about to come a turd flutter on us, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about this. Once winter really comes in, it's cold for a while, and I'm out fishing, I'm gonna do a top 5, cold bass fishing lures. And if this ain't number 1, then I found some miracle bait to use in the meantime. But if y'all haven't already, like and comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, please. And if y'all are any of my subscribers, no matter what age you are, And like I have my social media and all that down in the description. You know, Snapchat me or DM me on Instagram or something if y'all got some fire ponds and y'all want me to come out and fish with y'all. Like, you know, just have a good time. You know, that'd be awesome. I like to get out and explore. I really only bank fish right now. By the time next summer rolls around, I'm hoping to, you know, maybe get a little john boat or something and be able to have my first experience out on a lake, because I fished a lake once and I was maybe 10 years old. I've been to the lake maybe twice in my lifetime. I don't know, but yeah, it's about to rain. But yeah, for real, y'all hit me up. I'm down to fish with whoever. I hate lightning. I'm down to fish with whoever, no matter who you are, you know. And all right, yeah, I thank y'all for watching. It's probably a pretty boring video. Probably gonna drag out, you know, a lot of no fish catches. Nice little snag I had in there. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.